Hello everyone and good day. Today I would like to give you my unpopular opinion about how to start programming and which programming language is the best for beginners. So let's speak about psychology. Have you ever asked yourself why if when you start learn programming you have what's so-called hello world program, and this hello world program always contains print syntax? I think the answer is simple. First, because this program is the easiest or the simplest program that you can do in any programming language. The second is it has a result. It has an immediate result. It has direct result. When you hit run, you get your result. You see in the screen the result of your program. And this thing motivate you. Why? Because of what's so-called gratification or instant gratification. When you click or run your program and you see the result directly on the screen, you get motivated to continue to learn programming. You love it. And what gratification means is just getting the desired result as quickly as possible. So the question is how to maximize this instant gratification while learning programming, and which programming language will help us maximize this gratification. In my opinion, this question, how to maximize instant gratification and which programming languages to use, is equivalent to asking which programming language that is simple and maximizes gratification, means gives us instant results. And this question, the second question, also equivalent to asking which programming language has simple syntax and clean syntax. Also, which programming language has simple GUI or graphical user interface. Simple and clean syntax. The popular opinion is Python. Python is the simplest programming language to learn. But Python does not have simple graphical user interface. So Python is cross-platform. You can use cross-platform means you can use Python with many operating systems. With Mac OS, you can use Python with Windows, with Unix, and so on. But as a beginner, I don't think someone will who wants to learn programming will go directly to Python just to do some machine learning algorithm or some data science. So, is there any other option? In my opinion, Visual Basic. Also, you can say also C#, but I prefer Visual Basic for beginners, because Visual Basic gives you simple syntax and clean syntax, and it has simple graphical user interface. In Visual Basic, you just drag and drop your tools from the toolbox to your form, and you make your GUI as fast as possible and as simple as possible, so you can see your results directly on the screen. And what's so called what you see is what you get. You put your tools on the form and you click run, and directly there in the screen you have your graphical user interface. And then also you will learn what's so called event oriented programming and many programming concepts. Once you love programming, once you see the results, what you can do with programming, then you can move to Python or C or C++ or any other language.